Welcome. This is the Cisco CCNA ENSA, also known as the Enterprise Networking Security and Automation course. This course focuses on the CCNA version 7 curriculum. This is course 3 of 3. Welcome to Lab 2.5.3, propagating a default route in OSPF v2. So essentially what we're going to be doing here is when we have a default route, they can be classified as a static route. So if we want to leave the network, for example, we can have all traffic sent to R2, and then R2 can forward it out to the internet. That's going to be the default route, I'm assuming. Alright, so I let my lab load for a little while. That way it could propagate the regular routes. I'm going to go ahead and test pinging from PC1 to our web server. I'm doing the step 1. Ping 64.100.1.2. I'm getting a denied, so no messages were. Examine the route table for R1, R2, and R3 to see what route segment is not present. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing from PC2. Jump to the desktop, command prompt, ping 64.100.1.2. Same thing from PC3, ping 64.100.1.2. So they all get a destination host unreachable. I'm going to hop to my R1. I'm going to do show IP route. So I'm not seeing anything for the 64 network. I'm also not seeing a gateway or static route to that network. Alright, R3 I pissed off, so it's fine. I'll jump to R2. Show IP route. Again, I don't see anything for the 64 network at all. I also don't see any type of default gateway. So that is done. So what I want to do is I'm going to set up a static route on R2, and I'm going to send everything out the serial interface. This is going to be the connection between R2 and the internet. Conf T IP route. I'm going to do anything with that network. In that subnet, I'm going to send it out serial 01/0. Again, this is a default route with a gateway. Again, a point-to-point. We're saying send everything out to the internet. So that sets up our point-to-point connection. We need to propagate this default route to everyone else. So we're going to use step 3, router OSPF, process ID 1, and we're going to actually distribute the default information. So router OSPF 1, default information, originate. So I'm going to do a show route on router 1. And we should now see our default route propagating. So here is the old option. We didn't have a gateway, now we do. And quad zeros is just a special network that says match everything. So hop back on PC1. It should ARP out the first connection, and then it should go through, and it does. I'm going to do the same thing on PC2, and it works. PC3, and it works. So lab is complete, check results. We've completed it. We have everything completed, 2 out of 2, 100 out of 100 points. That's the lab in a nutshell. Questions, concerns, please reach out. Thank you.